Today I'm gonna have couple of Cartier unboxing. I had these items on my wish list for very long time. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna do a couple of Cartier pieces. These pieces were on my wish list for quite a bit of time, but every time I find myself an excuse not to buy them. But I mean, let me do unboxing and then I will come to story why these specific pieces and why I waited so long, because they've been increased and priced already several times. Nevertheless, let's start with unboxing. I have few pieces over here. So two Cartier certificates. You know, each Cartier piece comes with the certificate. Cartier receipt, obviously with the warranty and everything. I have a couple of cleaning kits. Each Cartier piece should come with a cleaning kit, and if you don't receive one, ask your say. Okay, another one. And they are good not only for cleaning Cartier pieces, any jewelry, they are good enough. Then I have Cartier discovery set of different perfumes. I'm excited to try this piece. So this is just a Cartier card and several different perfumes. Just out of curiosity, let me just see what kind of perfumes over here. So there is Cartier Eau de Parfum Besser Volet. Then there is a Cartier Eau de Parfum Panther, and there is Cartier La Panther perfume itself. So Eau de Parfum Panther and perfume itself. And there is what is that? Yeah, Besser Volet. Besser Volet. Frankly, I never had any Cartier perfumes, so I'm excited to try them. And because they are kind of compact, I think it would be really good options for travel as well. And then I have two Cartier pieces to unbox with you guys. So let's just see. There is a one and there is a two. Let's start with this one. Many of you, it's still packaged. To be honest, I got these items end of October, believe it or not, but I'm being good. I'm keeping these packages without the opening, and because it's my partial Christmas gift. I'm gonna have several unboxing of different items, and I don't know if obviously some of us receive Christmas gifts as a true surprise, but many of us, we plan our Christmas gifts because obviously it comes from the budget and you have to budget for the Christmas gifts. So this is the first piece. Okay. Right. And here is the first piece. Let me just make sure that it's in focus. So, and I got Cartier Love earrings. And it's not just the hoops with the studs, it's actual earrings with the clasp. Absolutely gorgeous piece. So let me take them off and I will try them. There is a couple of things I want to point out when it comes to Cartier earrings. If you see, I just want to make sure that it's actually in focus. You see how it's kind of like going on an angle, cut on an angle. This is not a mistake. It's because when it comes to earrings, like see how they're on angle on the different point, because there is a left and there is a right. And let me just see, I don't know if it's actually even written left and right. I'm assuming this is the right because that's how it cuts off, and this is the left. And let me put it on. By the way, let me know what you think of my new glasses. I was kind of worried that they may be a little bit present. But I want some glasses that I can wear it as a sunglasses as well, because they're with the tinting effect on the sun. So that's how they look like. Let me see if it's focusing. That's how they look like. There is definitely a presence to these earrings. They're not a small earrings. I mean, they're not humongous, but there is a presence, and they're quite weighty. They're quite weighty. If I'm gonna also measure the weight, maybe I'm gonna include short video over here showing what is the weight of these pieces. So here is my new love earrings, and I know for some of you guys weight of the gold in designer jewelry is not important, but for me it's actually quite important, because at the end of the day it's a gold, and these earrings is 12 grams of 18 karat gold. So I hope it gives you an idea about the weight of these earrings. So again, yes, it's about 12 grams. And I had them on my wish list for a very, very long time. At some point, I thought I'm gonna get the larger hoops, but the larger hoops, they come with a stud. And frankly, I cannot have any high-end jewelry with the studs because I don't know. I keep losing those studs. If it's a high-end jewelry, I want with the proper clasp that they are actually closing properly and stay on the ear. And when it comes to love pieces, I used to have love bracelet, small, but I don't have it any longer. By the way, most likely previously I had a video about new jewelry pieces, Cartier included, and right now in Cartier there is 3 different sizes. There is a small bracelet, medium size bracelet, and original size bracelet, all of them with a clasp. So there is no longer, you know, the screws. Like, I mean, there is a screws over there, but there is something that you can put on yourself. So let's open second piece. Okay, so excited. And when it comes to jewelry pieces, like, you know, I tried several different houses. I wouldn't say that, oh, I don't like other houses, but when it comes to Cartier, it's obviously still in any girl's heart. So here is the second piece, and this is the love ring. Obviously this ring is not something new that you guys don't know. Many of us, we have this ring, and now it's actually a little bit loose, but it's okay, because, you know, when it comes to rings, specifically in the high-end jewelry, you know, it's when it's summer, the hands will kind of swell a little bit, and when it's winter they kind of little bit got loose. I actually even right now can put in the middle because they're so not swollen today, which is good news, but you know, it's not always like that. And here is my Justin Clue say that's how they look together. If I want to keep it on the same hand, actually looking very good. So now I'm gonna weight my new love ring, and again it's not wedding band, it's an actual ring, and it's about 5.8, close to 6 grams. Just as a comparison, similar ring from Hermes. This is my Hermes. I think they call it chain dunker. The similar ring from Hermes is 4.8, so pretty much 1 gram lighter. And I have also Hermes. Hermes Kelly ring is about 5.9, but remember, Hermes Kelly ring in size 56 and Cartier in size 52. And this is Hermes chain dunker. It's 4.8 only, again in size 52. So just to compare, this is Hermes size 52, and this is Cartier size 52. Again, just to give you visual, I hope the camera will be able to pick up. You can see that Cartier is much thicker comparing to Hermes rings. Cartier rings are much thicker, and you can see the thickness of these earrings. They're really thick. So that's my new pieces. I have new pair of earrings, and I have my love ring, and I actually have even love necklace. So pretty much I kind of have a set of all. I know that people may say, oh, how about the bracelet? But at the moment I'm okay with the love bracelet. I might be toying with the idea of getting medium size love bracelet, but again, at the moment I'm gonna be not buying any more pieces from Cartier. I'm okay with Cartier pieces right now. So let me know, what do you think of my new addition? If you have these specific earrings and you already wear it for quite a bit of time, please let me know what you think of these earrings. What is your feedback? Of course, many of you guys have the love ring. Let me know what you think of your love ring. I actually watched so many reviews in regards to the love ring. Some people saying that they love it, some people saying that they hate it, but of course at the end of the day it's such an iconic piece. So that's about it for today. I hope you like this unboxing. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.